right in front of the iron.
I'll just stand behind you guys.
And we're live.
We are?
This makes me look like a giant. This makes me look so much taller than you guys. Hold on. Well, you are. I understand. Look at her. Look at us. We're here if anybody's watching. Charlie's here.
Hey,
Yay.
Charlie.
Did you miss us? We're still obnoxious. So Happy New Year, Charlie. That is true. So we're allowed
Happy
to
New
be.
Year, everyone.
Yes, yes. Happy New Year to everybody. I'll give you guys a minute to come on. Because it's been a few weeks. They're here.
And I can't,
They're right
I
here.
can't see it this far.
We will go back and like everything and read everything.
Yeah. I can't respond to you anymore.
It could also be our internet, Charlie. I'm not sure how good it is here because we've never done it from here before.
Donna's here.
So Tricia's here. Lynn Cunningham's here.
Mark.
Lisa's right over there. You guys will see her in a minute.
It's too bad that we all couldn't be here. You all couldn't be here.
They missed us. Well,
I
Charlie
think
did.
they did.
Charlie did. So you are probably wondering where we've been, what we've been doing, and what we're doing now. So where have we been? It's been the holidays. We've been holidaying. We've been working. They've been working. Yes. Yes. Did you have good holidays? We did. We had good Christmases. You guys did. Yes. Yes. So hopefully you guys did too. And now we are, because we're going to just jump right back into it. Not only are we back, but we're at a retreat. So you're on wheels right now. You didn't know that. And I'm going to turn you guys around and I'm going to take you on a tour. So we're going to see everybody.
Where's Jack?
Well, here, hold on. Hold on.
Barb,
hold on.
just take a picture of yourself moving in a different direction.
Hold on. I got to turn us around. Where is it? There we go.
Hi, Debbie.
All right.
Here we are.
It's our retreat.
All right.
So we're gonna go take a walk. Let's go see what people are working on.
Yeah.
All right. You coming with me, or am I releasing you? We're coming. There's Lisa. Hi. I'm gonna see if I can tip this down a little bit more.
wave.
Hi, Pat. What are you guys making? What are you working on? Lisa, hold up your pattern. Show everybody what you're working on. Isn't it so cute? Pandas and sweaters.
Little pieces there. A lot of organization.
We are in Lake George, New York, which if you don't know is upstate. We got a little snow this morning.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly, but that's all right. We have coffee and wine. Pat, what are you working on?
Go on, Pats.
Are you making chickens again?
No, I'm making ducks.
Ducks. We've moved on to ducks.
On the farm.
Oh, cute. Very,
Quack,
very
quack
cute.
here.
Yeah, quack, quack there.
Quack everywhere, quack, quack.
Diane, what are you working on?
I'm working on Jess's pattern.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh!
She's just trying to get out of the corner, Jess.
That's right. I think I'm going to butter her up a little.
That's totally fine. Diane's partner is in the witness protection program, so we can't talk to her. We got to go around. We can't even tell you her name, Kathy. I mean, it's not Kathy. We can't talk to you about her. So here is my pop-up shop, because of course I have to bring too much stuff. So all of these people that watch us get to be on.
Sewing machine.
Oh, and yes, we have
Deal.
a machine, borrowed, rent, no, a loaner. A loaner.
Adirondack quilts.
I still don't have words.
It's on sale.
Hey ladies, say hello.
Good morning. What are you working on?
Hi, we're doing a curvy log cabin.
Ooh, I did that.
Learning.
We're
I'm
learning.
Frankie's teaching.
Frankie's the teacher. Miss Robin, what are you working on?
I have my Dresden plates.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Ooh, nice.
There's Joe.
Pretty.
Joe, are you watching us while we're watching you?
Oh, Teddy.
Teddy. Awesome.
Oh, she's got a big one going.
What's going on down here?
Binding. She's doing binding.
Margie, how big is that quilt? That looks massive. Wow. That's gorgeous. Connie said hi, Joe. Rita, what are you working on? Victoria, yay!
How much did you pay all these people?
I didn't. And Kelly and Wendy came from a great distance to hang out with us. Oh, very cute.
It's a strip quilt, so it's piecemeal.
I like it. Sandy said beautiful quilt, Margie.
You're not going to make it around the edge.
I'm not. I'm going to turn around. So we're going to go back this way. I'm on wheels. I'm dangerous. But look at all the room we have. Everyone has an 8-foot table, so there's plenty of room. Hi, Barb.
Hi, Jess. I'm getting out of your way.
And here's the next half. So we've got all of our cutting spaces.
All of our snacks.
And snacks, the most important table.
The most important
And
table.
is that
Getting something.
is that quilt designer Sue Fow of Sweet Jane Quilts? It is.
Wow.
Hi, Sue. Sue, do you have anything of yours you'd like to show everybody? You can show them your pattern, tell them who you are. She's like, you're putting me on the spot now. That's all right.
I do have one thing I can
Well, go.
Go grab it.
Sue is also a pattern designer, so we're gonna show it all. Look at this. This is already staged. Judy's got you all set. What are you making?
It's a catch-all bag.
Super cute. Oh, you showed that. You had that yesterday
Yeah.
on your sewing machine.
Judy. Yes, so she put snaps on, so you can put it anywhere. And this is actually like thread catcher size.
I love it. Is that pattern available? Or is it testing still?
It's available, but only in my Etsy shop, Sweet Jane.
That's all right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Very cute. We're still missing a few people because of the snow. Judy and Darlene. What are you guys working on?
Hi.
Hi.
Working on tourist tote.
A tourist tote
More Jessica
and
pattern.
an all around.
And I'm going to do the all-around tote, and I am working with this waterproof canvas for the first time.
I brought some to work with the first time too.
Isn't it awesome?
I know I'm going to need help.
That's why we're here. And look at Miss Sue, who's got plenty of stuff with her. She's got her rivet setter. Look how organized all of her stuff is.
We've got irons. We've got cutting. We've got. She's just.
Because you have room.
I know. Sue, what are you working
Anybody
on?
ever wants to come.
I have that whole bag of purses to make.
Look at all this.
Oh my goodness.
She brought a few things.
I always have a few things.
That's all right.
And they're always Jessica things.
Aw.
That's true.
Barb again, I keep running into you. Oh, and what is this?
Where'd you go?
I don't know where Mary went, but that's pretty.
That's really pretty.
Very nice.
That is real pretty. Nice and springy.
And Mary and Pat. This is the quilting side. I don't have words.
I'm making this. It's called Holiday Blues.
That's pretty.
So I'm on my second set of blocks.
Nice.
Holiday blues.
Oh, that's pretty. Very nice.
So I love the colors. Of course, I didn't pick them out. That's why they're
Carolyn's not there.
Carolyn left. I don't know where she went.
Here.
There's Kathy. Kathy, what are you working on?
I'm going to make the tourist tote.
Awesome.
I love the tourist tote. I'm going to
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that cute?
That's really cute.
coffee beans on the bottom.
I love it.
Like Carolyn's not here, but she's got her little sign.
I gave that to them probably 3-4 years ago.
Stays at the quilt.
She brings it to
Every retreat.
One more thing to show.
Show. Let's see.
So this is the Bonnie Hunter mystery quilt.
Oh, very cool. I like your
This year's?
colors.
This year's Bonnie Hunters, and you can go on quiltville.com, and it's free, but not for long, and it's step by step, and it's so cool. She gives the clues out every Friday.
Very
And
cool.
I did a different colorway, but this is mine.
I like those colors.
I like
Yeah.
it. Sue, your sister Nancy said hi. She's like, what? So we have Sue, and Sue. So we're overrun on Sue's. What are you making?
I'm making a
Jessica pattern.
Yay!
and I'm making it for a Christmas present, so I'm making it out of Christmas fabrics.
Cute.
Really late or
Really early.
Really early, because I'm making two.
Maria, what are you working on?
I'm working on a Jelly Roll Ripples quilt.
Cool.
Barb was working on it in October. I liked it, so I downloaded the free pattern. And she said she's still working on it.
That's all right.
I have it here.
All right, so here, I'm gonna turn this back around. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Turn. There we go. All right. I'm like way too close to the camera. All right. Come on over. We're gonna say goodbye. We're gonna make this a short one because we have sewing to do. I'm probably not gonna get much done, but that's okay. You'll get more. You'll get the most done, and then you and I might get one thing done. We'll see.
She puts around too much and you're the boss.
She talks too much.
Exactly.
We all talk too much.
She does talk too much.
I do not talk too much.
Well, we did miss you guys. We're glad to be back. We will be back next Friday in our normal setting. Well, wait a minute, but I forgot to tell them it's revamped. So we have a new backdrop. So it's not brand new, but it's all clean. It's clean. So we're gonna go sew, and we will post some pictures, and I have something fun planned for you guys. You don't know about it yet, but I'll show you later. And then we will be back next Friday. I don't know, what are we talking about? Our little videos that we're making this morning.
Oh, yeah.
That's how quickly they have no idea. It's all right.
I did.
Marlene doesn't know. So it's okay.
Test case.
You are a test case. Trust me on that one.
So we're gonna go snow. We're gonna go sew and snack, and we will see you guys next Friday. Everybody say bye to Facebook.
Bye.